Lisa is visiting a new city and feels hungry. She decides to go to a restaurant for lunch. Lisa doesn't know much English, but she needs to order food. She walks into a small café.
Hello. Welcome to our restaurant. How can I help you? Hello. Welcome to our restaurant. How can I help you?
Hi, can I see the menu, please? Hi, can I see the menu, please?
Sure, here you go. Sure, here you go.
Lisa looks at the menu. She decides what to order.
Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like a burger and some water, please. Yes, I'd like a burger and some water, please.
Great choice. Would you like fries with that? Great choice. Would you like fries with that?
No, thank you. Just the burger and water. No, thank you. Just the burger and water.
Anything else? Anything else?
No, that's all, thank you. No, that's all, thank you.
The waiter goes to the kitchen, and Lisa waits for her food. After a few minutes, the waiter brings her order to the table.
Here is your burger and water. Enjoy your meal. Here is your burger and water. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Lisa eats her meal and enjoys it. When she is finished, she calls the waiter over to ask for the bill.
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please? Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right away. Of course. I'll bring it right away.
Do I need to pay now? Do I need to pay now?
Yes, you can pay at the table or at the counter. Yes, you can pay at the table or at the counter.
I'll pay here, thank you. I'll pay here, thank you.
Here's your receipt. Thank you for visiting. Here's your receipt. Thank you for visiting.
Thanks, have a nice day. Thanks, have a nice day.